Okay, let's talk about this super good gift. I've been wanting to find better gifts and toys for my children that are less technological, less on their phone, on their iPad, on their computer, and more hands-on. And so this is what I'm going for. So this STEM kit builds 5 different toys, the excavators, the diggers, all the things. Now this is for a little bit older kids or more advanced kids, unless you want to sit with your kid and help them out, which I highly encourage you to do anyways, because one-on-one time with your kid, who would want to do that? The pictures and all the manuals are very, very detailed. We did something like this around Christmas time, and it was the best quality time with our kid. Comes with stickers for all the different things that you can build. Everything is super well packaged and well numbered, so you're not going to get confused on what you're building. Everything comes individually packaged, so you can just go one step at a time to build whatever it is you're working on. Now, even the box is useful. The box has different templates inside. Let me see if I can show you that. You use the box to help keep everything. It's your little workbench. You keep everything organized. And let me just show you. And there's an app also. There's an app that you scan a little QR code. So this is your little work bin, and you put in the lid, there are these pieces. So you put it in, and it helps you organize. You put them in like this, and it helps you organize into trays so that you can follow this step-by-step process without losing pieces and without getting disorganized. I absolutely love that. I'm super excited to start doing these with my kids, just because that hands-on, it's working their brain, it's working their hands, it's keeping them busy without a screen in front of their face, and then they can be proud of their work when they're done, and they can build another one. I absolutely love that. I'm super excited for us to be able to dive into this project together.